Hello and welcome to the Training Road. This is going to be some running trains, episode 16. Whoops. Knocking stuff over there. Do. Um, we're gonna run this F unit. It's been a hot minute since we've run it on one of these, so it's been a hot minute since I did one of these, so the wheels might be a bit dirty, or I'm not being enough because so I'm gonna set up the next train, and you guys are gonna watch as this one does the thing. You guys up here, put it down. Yep. Good. I'm gonna prepare the next train. This. Sorry about the long break. Here we go. We're going to put that one down. Put the next one on. Next, we're running the 7868 Athrean Special Edition GP38-2. That's not on the track. Let's just fix that real quick here. So there you go. I'm gonna take that down there to the end of the train. Uh-oh. I think we've got a cracked axle here. Ugh. Oh wait, okay, that might have just been rail joints. Yeah, that was... No, that wasn't. That was something. I don't know what. Okay, that's on. Let's keep it. I don't know. Okie doke. Gonna make sure that coupled. Like they've got a gnarly tendency to not. That's one hook coupler's fault. Come on. And there we go. She's off. School's starting back up. My school district is doing virtual. You may notice that I cleaned up the GP38 that's running this train. I felt like it deserved to be a little bit cleaner. One of the locomotives. Crap. Thing is... Okay, we now have Chicago Northwestern. I want you to tell me how this GP40 can't handle this train without wheel slip. Oh, and the GP38 did it just fine. Where'd the light go? Must have burnt out. That sucks. Oh well. I'll have to get another one soon. Another whole new SD40. I do intend on getting another SD40 from an Athrean SD40 soon. And I actually intend on it's gonna be like a it's gonna be two of them, one of them's gonna be dummy, and I intend on this makes me angry. I think it's related to the fact that there is only 8 wheels driven on this. give me just a moment. We're going to be doing a rescue. Okay, so I was going to try and drag it from the front, but then I realized I can very carefully drag it backwards to retrieve the locomotive from the head end. I have to be very careful and make sure, though, that I don't... Oh, that's kind of sketch. I mean, the fact that I can pull on the caboose and it doesn't stringline right away is kind of a demonstration of the sort of not power or weight this SD40 has. I also was thinking about taking the shell off, and I have a spare set of flywheels. And I tested it on this, which I had previously disassembled. It is the same, except for a little bit more beat up, because I got it when I was probably too young for anything with any handrails that were not metal. See, like this. You don't have to be as careful about that, because that won't break. That'll just bend. What are we running? I don't know what we're running. You know what? Let's grab our Jeep 18. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna put it on this way. I think I need to clean the contacts and stuff. There's that one zipping around. Oh, you know what? Let's stop this in its next lap around. We're gonna do a final one. See if it gets better. Once it's warmed up. Now, we're gonna take that off, and we're gonna see if this one's gonna cooperate. So here we have Athrean rubber band drive. It's not all the bands. I just put a new set of bands on it, not the other day, so... Listen to how quiet that is. That's actually quite a bit of throttle. That is like half the speed I've seen it go on a DC power pack. It goes so much faster. The motor doesn't like the alternating current that's done with the DCC. It's because it's a modulated pulse wave or something like that. Essentially, the signal is sent by going up and down in various pitches and frequencies, and on the DC mode, this controller doesn't have an option to turn that isn't that. It doesn't have a straight DC option. It just has the ability to modulate the waves to be I think it makes it so that the average wave, so when you average out the waves, it ends up being a totally flat signal. That's why you get that noise. But anyway, I think that's the end of this video. Make sure to check out the past videos and check out future videos. This is a series, but you can watch them in any order you choose. There is absolutely no, correlation between episodes. They're just arranged in episodes so that they're easier to date and you can keep track of them, mostly for my reasons. Let me know if you'd like to see something like an operating session series where I do like a job at a time in each episode, and then once that job is done, the next job will be utilizing that same. It'll be going on from there sequentially, so if you watch episode 1, then we continue on in the next episode by doing the next job in association with that first job. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see that. And, yeah. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, I guess. I mean, don't dislike the video. If you don't... And let me know ways I can improve the content and make it better. I am looking for solutions to the poor lighting. Check out past videos and previous videos.